Okay. Welcome po tayo po sa ating Saturday Night Live action po tayo yun sa ating A-Major Friendly League dubbed as the Flying League. In a matter of 7 minutes, we're about to start the game. And this is your liga po na malumilipat A-Major Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Hey! Thread the Needles and Team LB sa rin ang padala. Sa po natin po dyan ang SPB Ara at PSBQ Basketball League. Of course, ito pa ating participating teams. The Hub, Cabin Line, Oryx, Boleros, Airport United, CAS, Inflights, QR Towers, Freighters, and of course, nandiyo po ang Sky Team at ang Mechanicos. And of course, welcome po sa ating eliminations sa ating Saturday Live Basketball Action sa Aviation Friend League. First game po natin po is CAS versus the Freighters. Saan po natin po dyan? Sa ingin po natin po, yan po ang Boleros and the Mechanicos. Okay, hintay lang po tayo. Of course, ito po ang CAS playing red and black combination versus mint blue or sky blue. Yan po ang the Freighters. Yan. O parang ano rito, kapamilya rito ng CAS. Ito po ang grupo nila Tabile at Ruiz and company po yan. Dito na po, siya po ang grupo po nila Lumawag and Justin at si Sir Isa po and company po. Sir Jonas Manapat is watching right now. Good evening po sir. Good evening po. Gandang gabi po sa inyo po sir. We're just waiting for the opening whistle sa ating pong Aviation Friend League dubbed as the Flying League. Antay-tay na po tayo po sa ating pong ligang ito. We're just waiting na po sa ating opening whistle. At mga kalaban po, maglalaban po ang dalawa. Magsasabong po mamaya ang ating pong kupunan between CAS at the Freighters. Sige po, antay-tay na po tayo sir. We're just waiting na po sa ating opening whistle po mga boss, mga madam. We're just waiting na for opening whistle na po between CAS and Freighters. And of course, mami po antayin po tayo. Yan po ang Mechanicos versus ano po yon? Nakalimutan ko, sinasabi ko, pambira yan. Boleros. Baka pamilya rin yan. Yan po ang anak naman ni Mechanicos. Idol, salita. Okay na, ligit tayo, no? Okay, nag-shoutout ba dyan, pre? Kung maki-shoutout?
Pati ko yung tropa namin sa Croatia, si Christopher Pelosis.
Okay.
Pre, para sa ito.
Ayan, o yan ha, o. Dedicated this game. Di na siya, o. Nagbabakasyon lang.
Ano na,
Okay, for good na rin, ha. O, jump ship din. Yan naman talaga gusto niya. Pag yan kasi gateway to Europe niya, Croatia.
Sa Croatia.
Hanggat bata pa, kaya pa. Bata pa.
Sana nanonood ka, pre.
Yan, o.
Pre, sana nanonood ka, pre.
Yan, o.
Para sa ito.
Yan.
Gagalingan namin nila, nila Louie, nila Dudes.
Yan, okay.
Okay?
Yan ang Cara Pimentel. Hi po. Hi rin po siya, ma'am. Hi. Okay. Okay, we're just waiting po sa ating first game for tonight po. Sa ating Saturday Night Live action, basketball action between CAS at ang the Freighters. Ano to? Labanan naman mag-ama to. Ito, mag-ama to. Labanan mag-ama to. Dahil si CAS po, yan po ang tatay niya po. Yan po pinakatatay po ni the Freighters. Yan. If you know GAS before, General Aviation Services, hindi yun. Kasama rin po sa mga USA University na yan. Sa family po ng CAS. Sobrang laki kasi. Kaya nagbunan po sila mga separate teams po. Yan, okay. Okay. Of course, yan po yung kanyang coach po, si Sir Rocamora. Yan, ang coach po ng CAS. The winningest coach na po. Dahil na. The winningest coach po dito ngayon. Yan. Technically po, sa ating record po ngayon po, tight po sila po in number of championships. So, magka-tight po ang CAS tsaka ang Airport United. Kaya itong game number, season number 5, isa po dito malamang may mananaig na. Okay. Kaya maganda pa abangan po. Unless, kung mayroon isang dark horse po na maaaring ito'y sabihin, amin muna ang kampinatong to. Ayan. Kaya ano po tayo, antayin na tayo. Maraming mga magagandang tipongin po dito. Dahil kagabi po, if you notice, no? If you watching my live yesterday, nag-double overtime po, AU, tsaka in-flights. At ito, pukpukan din, laban din, yung last game po, hub, tsaka yung cabin line. We see na the likes of Mr. David na pumupukol ng tres na lima, pinakawalan, sunod-sunod. O, saan ka pa? Idol. Paul Brian Owen is watching right now. Okay. We're just waiting for the opening whistle, of course. Nandiyan po yung mga typical na faces po ng CAS. The likes of Perez, Sila, Arnado, lumawag yung kanilang magaling sa dukot. Mr. Dukot lumawag, nandiyan din, maglalaro. And of course, si Dalida nandiyan din. And of course, nandiyan po si Mr. JS, the main man, JS. Okay, and company. Yan. Tayo po tayo yan. Si Omas As. Omas As. Of course, si Dalida nandiyan din. Idol. Yan, si Omas As po yan. Omas As, yan ha. Nakalive na po tayo. Yan ha. We're just waiting for the opening whistle. Of course, si Gosum, yung kanilang slasher din. Idol, Sir Gosum, kumusta? Okay, Idol. Okay, we're just waiting right now. Wala siya, no? Dalida. Wala si Contreras, yung duty pa rin ha, yung perimeter king yun. Okay, we're just waiting after the open whistle now. Okay, now calling now. Okay, final go na to your huddle now at then we have to start now our first quarter of the action for tonight between CAS and the Freighters. Coming up next, basketball action, CAS versus the Freighters. Okay, first quarter action starts right now. Of course, this game also is brought to you by, of course, SPB Ara. Yan po. Yes, Ben CH. Simula na po yan. First quarter action na po tayo. Thank you po na po sa SPB Ara. Kudos po for keeping this game in a neat and orderly fashion. Yan, salamat din po sa inyong pasensya rin. Yan. Okay, let's go. Opening team po tayo ngayon. Okay, first quarter action now. Of course, sa tropa mo ng CAS, si Isa, si Uma, si number 17, si number 13, si Arnado, at si number 27. Sa kabila mo, si number 20, si number 1, si number 30, si number 19, at si number 6. Paalala na po, tack-in po tayo. At the same time, mga kwintasyon po nato. Yung mga kwintasyon po, pati mahikaw nyo po, bigyan nyo po sa para isang lako na lang. Maraming salamat po. First quarter right now between CAS and the Freighters. First quarter action live right now po tayo. CAS and the Freighters already. Yan, magkakapamilya kasi kaya family ito, one big happy family. Yan. Game, Isa and number 1. First, nandun kagad, nakuha agad ang Freighters kagad. Sabi ni po number 19, heck muna po tayo na pinasok ay Kaliwan ng bola. Kaliwan passing the ball. And now to Flores. Kaliwan again. Number 1. Nope, it's number 18. no good. Rebound battle number 11, and no good. And binabas muna kay number 1. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle by the Cast people. Binababa na ngayon. That's David. Number 17, nope. Nandun si number 19, kick pass kay Flores. Flores, malakas. Isa naka-rebound. Number 18 again. That's Silva. Pinasa agad. 17, ayun Arnado, malakas naman. Na Flores. Flores, walang tawag. Binuto ka agad kay number 1, Montalban. Montalban has the ball already. Flores, number 6. Driving strong. Dukot, wala pa rin. Tip sana, wala pa rin. And now till Armando. Arnado, nakapass break in siya. In steroids. Now, number 37. No good steal. After many attempts, wala pa rin po tayong score right now. Almost 2 minutes already had passed by. Kaliwan, 30, for 3. Wag muna raw. At nawala ang bola. Balik sa Cast ang bola. Cast ball. Cast ball po tayo. Cast ball. 17. Binababa ang bola. 17. Binasa kagad. 34. Isa. Wala pa rin. Nandun. Trail ni Isa. Hindi nakuha ang bola. White ball. Or Freighters ball. Bola pa ng Freighters. Pinasa ka kay number 30 kay Kaliwan. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Kaliwan 30. Kaliwan. Number 6, Flores. Ayun, mali pinasaan. David, nakabahan, nakalusot. David. No good. David, number 17, shooting for 2. Who's foul rep? First shot, David, good. Second shot, jumper sa po tayo, mga boss. Second shot, jumper, ready, no good. Rebound battle now, out of bounds. Ball goes to same ball. Cast muli po, bola po ng Cast muli po tayo. Ralph Castor is watching. David, number 17, nawala ang bola. Isa, power move. Dukot, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni isang bola. Pops up, no good still. Rebound by number 1, Isa. Pinasa ka ng bola nga kay Flores. Foul. Silva. Foul on Silva. Silva, number 13, Coke for the foul. Balik muna number 1, driving strong, naipit. Number 19, wala pa rin. Isa pa daw. Foul. Take 2 for sure. Number 20, Gutierrez, shooting for 2. Wala. Second shot, Gutierrez. Jumpers, ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. 1-all. David, binababa ang bola. Silva. Nandyan si Arnado. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Freighters. Flores again on the attack. Nando si Gutierrez. 2 points, Gutierrez, 2 points. Silva, naipit, nakawan ng bola. Montalban did not control the ball. Balik muli po sa kasang bola. And now, kay David. Binababa ang bola ni David. Arnado. against Kaliwan. Kick pass, ayun. Nandun si Flores. 2 points Flores. Flores, 2 points. And Arnado, naipit. 37, pops up. 2 points. Making the rules. Flores. Number 1, Montalban. Pinasa. Mali, pinasahan. Nice check. And Arnado, 2 points again. 2 points, Arnado. And time out call. Time out po tayo. Sito ang time out, rep. Rep, sito ang time out. Time out on Freighters. Para bigyan mo. I believe the one waiting for you. Okay, second set na po tayo players. Tabile, 22, number 24, at si number 16. Kabila naman ko si Ramos, Dalida, Gozum, Rivera, at si Omas. Of course, aking kapitbahay na, naglalaro na rin aking kapitbahay. Tabile, pumposisyon ng mga player. Tabile. Pops up, 28, wala. One more time. Tabile. Floater shot, 2 points Tabile. Tabile, 2 points. 7-5. 4:40 remaining. Uy! No good. Final call, no flat touch, last by Dalida. Balik muli po sa Freighters ang bola. Freighters ball po tayo, Freighters ball. Balik tayo, Tabile, nagbababa ng bola. Si Tabile. Tabile na to 25 rather, 28. Sembrano, pops up, kapos. And goes on kick pass kay Rivera kay Tabile. Rivera, nagmamadali, D-shot pass, Gozu, foul called. Sabi ni Matt Romero, shout out from Pinas Commissioner. Maraming salamat po sir, shout out din sa iyo. Okay, Gozum 28, shooting for 2. Gozum 28, shooting for 2, pops up. No good. Second shot, jumper ready po tayo. The score is 7-5 po tayo. 7-5. 7-5. Laman po ang Freighters. Gozum. No good still. Rivera. Bishop Landon. May nagbabantay doon. Nagmamadali. Si Monato. Foul. Monato called for a foul. 0-7 called for a foul. Monato. 28 Monato. 2 shots given. Pasok. Second shot Monato. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot Monato. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Boy! Sembrano. Pushing foul called. Cash ball po tayo, 3:44 remaining. And Omas, Dalida, Omas. Gozum, malakas ang pasa. Gozum, Dalida, push, 2 points. Dating batnet. And nandiyan po si Torcelino against Rivera. Tabile. Oy! Tumapak sa linya. Umilaw ang pula. Tumapak sa linya. Umilaw ang linya. Okay, now again to Mr. Dalida. To Mr. Of course, nandiyan si Rivera. Dalida again. Dalida. Pops up. Gozum. No good. One more time. Mendoza. Foul! Blocking foul called. Blocking foul. Blocking foul called on Rivera, number 15. 28 for the inbound. Tabile against Omas naman nagbabati kay Tabile. Omas, Tabile. Looper shot. Tabile. Tabile again. 2 points. Floater shot. Good. 10-7, 2:22 remaining. 2:21 remaining. Rivera. Pops up for 3. No good. Tabile. Tabile. Driving strong. Pinasa pa. Patira na yun. And now Gozum. No good. Rebound 25. 28. Tabile. Good ball. 3-second violation. Red ball, 3-second violation called on number 18 ng Freighters. Binababang bola again Rivera. 2 points. 2 points on Rivera kagad. 10-9 ang score po natin. Binato kagad. Batas ang pasa. Okay, a minute and 22 remaining. First quarter action drawing to a close already. A minute 23 remaining. Patapos na po ang first quarter action. Nandun si 18. Tabile. Donato. No good. Rebound by the red shirts. No good still. Same ball po tayo. Nice hustle play by Tabile. Saving that ball. And 1:08 remaining tayo sa ating score natin. 18. Pops up, 24. No good. Rebound, the red shirts. Ayun na naman siya. Rivera. Pops up, Dalida. No good. Rebound, number 24. Donato, floater shot. Wala. Good ball. No foul. And Omas. Nandun si 24. 23, Tabile. Block. Gozum. 2 points. Change favor na po tayo. 10-11, 24. Nandun 24, si 24. Foul. 24, calling 2 shots given. First shot, no good. Second shot, jumper straight to tie the ball game at 15 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Patapos na po. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. 24, pasok. And Dalida, last shot daw tayo. Sabi niya. Rivera. And Omas. Dalida. Difficult shot. And wala na. First quarter action ended. Tabla po tayo. 11 tablados. You're watching right now sa ating aviation friend sa Flying Libo, Bidding Cast and the Freighters. Afterwards po is Boleros and Mechanicos. Where na you? Dito na mi. Maraming salamat po. Okay, next quarter action now. Asinjo, si Hasselman Amampang, si Oleya, si number 10 at si number 14 si Perez. Sa kabila naman of course Second quarter action kagad. Second quarter action po nila, of course, number 13, number 2, number 8. Sino ba? Okay, number 13, number 2, number 8, number 9, at si number 21. Okay, 91 rider. Lena, Amampang, Lena again, Olea, no good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. White shirts, binababa ang bola. Number 2. Number 2. Kuya. Number 13. Number 2 again. Kick pass, 8. Number 2. 13. Offline. Again, one more time. Red ball. Red ball. Red ball. Lena. Kick pass. No good still. Oy! Technical. Walang papalakpak, boss. Walang papalakpak. Technical foul. That's called for a taunt already. That's called for a taunt already. Di pwedeng pumalakpak. Taunt po yun. Technical foul po yun. That's a technical foul po. Asinjo shooting for the technical free throw. Asinjo para sa technical free throw. Pasok. And bola pa po ng pula. Kas. Olea for the inbound. Olea for the inbound. Asinjo. Olea, ayun! Malakas! Oy! Hop! Foul called. Number 40 called for a foul. Again, number 21, binabambola. Number 21 ng Freighters po, binabambola. And now, number 2. Number 2. Amampang. Buong posisyon. Amampang. Valencia. Kumat. Si Dos. 2 points. Lamang na naman muli po ang Freighters 13-12 at 8:40 remaining. Second quarter action. Lena, naipit. Kick pass kay number 2. Hindi mahabol. Hindi makayuko. Hindi makayuko. Amampang to Perez. Perez, binababa ang bola. Perez, binababa to Amampang. Ayaw mo na. Kinats kay Lena. Amampang again. Amampang. Olea. Amampang kumakat. Amampang kick pass kay Olena. For 3. No. Olea naman. Olea. No. Palit tinawag pilasan. Lena again. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Olea. Kumat. Nandun si Lena pa rin. Pinasa. Valencia. Nandun si Amampang. Olea sa ilalim. Walang tawag. Tumama sa pa. Timeout call by the Cats. Back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Bola po ng Cas. Asinjo for the inbound. Amampang, Oleya, nakalusot, pops up, wala pa rin. Lena, Oleya, driving Asinjo to Amampang, kick pass kay Lena, 3 points. Richard Altar, Miami Balay sa Paloma, shot muna, pinasa, Hides. Mag-time out kayo mga prayers, sabi ni Matt Romero. Nandun si Perez, malakas, kaldog, Oleya, wala. 13-15 na score po natin at 6:31 remaining. Second quarter action. Double header na po tayo ngayon mga boss. Mami po, Boleros and Pops up for 3, no good. Boleros and Mechanics po mamaya. Lena, binababa ang bola. Lena, nandun si Asinjo. Nandun si number 2 rather. Nandun si 21. Again na naman sila. Valdez. 2 points. Nandiyo intercepted by number 2. Hindi na kontrol ng bola. $15 all po tayo. 5:30 remaining. Nice one! And one play made. Asinjo, 2 points. Basket made. Asinjo, bonus shot coming up. Bonus shot coming up, Asinjo. Bonus shot coming up for Mr. Asinjo. 2 shot. Extra shot for Asinjo. Wala. Rebound battle won by Oleya. And same ball. Oleya. Lena. Amampang. Pops up. Foul bait. Change players. Amampang, number 48, shooting for 2. Change pipe. Next. Amampang, first shot. Wala. Amampang, second throw. Amampang, second free throw. Okay, nandiyan na po sa next round. Ayan po si Defensor, si JS, si Opulencia. Ito naman si Toto, si Gilen, si Ruiz, si Ornelia. At mamaya si Celia yata papasok na rin. Amampang, no good. Okay, next na po, Amampang now, kinakalan lumabas. Ruiz. Palpal. Nice block by Palencia. And Amampang out. Arisila in. Toto. 2 points, 3 points. Ruiz, 3 points. Defensor, JS. Nandun si Opulencia. Nandun si Lumawag. No good. Rebound. Up. Same ball, sabi ng referee. Last touch by number 9. Number 10. Lumawag, number 4. Hindi handa siya, no? One more time. Hindi yan si defensor. Kick pass, JS. Number 6. Opilencia. 3-second violation. 3:31 remaining. Vicente, Ornila. Ruiz against defensor. Ruiz pops up again. Nope. Repiso, naka-rebound. Kick pass kay JS. Nando Ornila. Ruiz again. Ornila, silalim. 2 points, Ornila. Two points, Ornila. 2:44 remaining. Defensor to JS. Aricila. Bangs it in. And to Ruiz. Ornila. Ruiz again. Pinasa kay Toto. Traveling con Toto. Traveling violation called on Toto. 2:07 remaining first quarter. The second quarter action now drawing to a close. Lumawag. 2 points Lumawag. Lumawag 2 points. Ruiz. Binababa ang bola. Ruiz. And Ornila again for 3. Nope. Rebound. Pops up. Kapos. Number 20. One more time. 2 points, number 20. 21 all. A minute and 30 remaining. Defensor. Ayun si Lumawag na naman. Opilencia. Lumawag. Nando si Ornila naman. Nando si Defensor. Naipit. Foul called. Maron Navales Aguilar is already watching. Good evening po, sir. First shot. In and out. Second free throw. Defensor, 1:06 remaining. First quarter action. Second quarter action. Second throw. Basket made. 21-22. Yan naman tayo. Ruiz. Nice steal. And to JS. 2 points, yes. Ruiz. 20. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Defensor again. Lumawag. Dukot. Wala. Malakas. Ornila. Kapos. No good. Okay, after first half po natin, laman po ang CAS 21-24. Halftime po tayo. At picture ako. Halftime po tayo mga boss. Halftime po tayo. Okay. I think no penalty or shots awarded dahil pareho silang madami. Ha? Oo. Ha? Dito, second hand lang to. Tsaka mali. Laki ng sa akin. 12 to eh, pero laki yung binili ko.
Kano?
Ano siya? 250 lang. Dahil isa na siya eh. Second hand. Ito yung tulad kayo, yung sining kagabi. May ganito kagabi sa ano eh, sa Bolero sa Towers. Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Second quarter action. Now, watching right now is si third dinner Canton at si Sir Eric Grama. Eric, wala kang ba ya? Malakas ang pasa ni Flores. Mali. Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Okay, eto na. Okay, Silva, it's now. Silva to Arnado, Isa, power move. Oy! Grabe ni Belichick ko ni Isa.
Number 6, Steve.
Oy, butik na. Oy. Ingat lang. David, wala. Arnado, meron 2 points. Baby hoop shot, Arnado, 2 points. And Flores, 19. Nice one. No good. Rebound, Arnado. Silva, naipit ang kote. Nandun si Nonato. Uy! And to Arnado, palpal! Arnado, malakas. Rebound by the white shirts. Good evening, sir. Anong kwarto na po? Baka next na po kami. Sir, third quarter pa lang, sir. Kakasimula pa lang. 8 minutes remaining, third quarter action. Flores, no good. Uy, hindi na control ang rebound. Two points, Isa. No good. Uy.
First, number 6. Eat it up. 17.
Second shot, good. 22-28 ang score po natin at 7:25 remaining. Third quarter action.
Pass.
Isa na naman to Silva. Silva for 3. Nope. Rebound by the white shirts. Nando to Silva. Silva intercepted.
37.
Nando si David. David to Silva. Silva. Isa. Bang volleys. 2 points Isa. For Isa, age is just a number. Flore, good ball. Nandon si Angkas. David, pinasa kay Silva. Nandun si Flores. Foul called. Timeout, Freighters. Freighters call for a timeout at 6:37 remaining. Okay, si D-Mac, nag-download din pala, Sir D-Mac. Game. Flores again for 3. Bang! Sili. Binaba mga bola. Silva. No good. Rebound Isa. Pasyado kay Alcatir yung bonus. 3 again, wala Kaldog. Kaya lang siya Mampang. Sorry, si Arnado again, wala. Number 1, Montalban. Number 6, Montalban pops up. Bang! Sige! 28-30 po score po natin. 28-30 ang score po natin. Arnado. Silva. Offline. Out of bounds. Timeout called. Okay, next 5 pala po. Next 5, of course, si Rivera, si Uma, si Gozum, si Dalida, at si Number 41. Kabila naman, sino yung ano?
Score 30-50. Viewers.
Game.
Toss number 2.
Ano yung kanya? Kung ano yung kanya. Pops up, tabile, kapos. Yung kanyang amo, yung kanyang idolo, yun siya. Kinakuos niya yun.
Pass Rivera. Top 20.
Pinapintindi sa tao. Wala. Nice one. Nice rebound. Tabile again. Tabile. Nagtitimon. Tabile. 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 Nagtitimon ngayon ng bola. Nandun si number 2. Wala. Nandun si Gosun. Gosun to Dalida. Dalida. Pinapambola. Dalida. Dalida. Ayun na. Rivera. 2 points. Tabile. Tabile. Floater shot. Good.
Ito pa rin, nakahabol. Foul number 10.
Foul called. Go zoom and the sky play. Wala.
Number 20.
Binababa ang bola. Okay daw. Sinasabi wag muna raw tayong ano. Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Nandun. Nandun sa Tabile referee. Foul call. Rivera was fouled by Tabile.
Second question. Number 16.
Pops up. No, pumas. Gozo. Tabile. Nance Tabile. Tabile against Rivera. Tabile against Dalida. Tabile. 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 Naipit. Pinakick pass muna. Palabas. 3-second violation lang.
Rivera.
Rivera, wala. Rebound by Dalida. Dalida to Rivera. 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 Naipit. Uy, Jolens. 3-second violation na tinawag na referee. Tabile. 2:03 remaining third quarter action. Patapos na. Boleros, Mekaniko, swear na you. Nandito na ako. Op, si Daisy. Foul called. Boleros, si Mekaniko, swear na you. Nandito na ako. Matatapos ang third quarter. Maraming salamat po. Uy, uy. Wala pa rin. Gozo, stripped away. Foul called. Foul called. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 8 for the inbound kick pass kay Tabili, kagad ang bola. Rivera pops up, no, it's bangs it in, number 21. Rivera. Rivera. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 8. Tablados po 32, 20.
23.
Tabile again, tabile. Naipit. Ayun. Foul on Ramos.
41. Second personal foul. Shot. 50 seconds.
Foul call. 3 seconds na.
Steve.
Steal again by Tabile. Steal again by Dalida.
Rivera.
Rivera. Dalida.
Azupen.
Gozum. Thinking 3. Malakas. Number 19. Falses. 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 Foul call on Ramos.
41. Third personal foul. Two shots. 22 seconds.
Falses number 19. Wala. Dalida, nako yung bola. Kick pass, nice pass broken by number 2.
17 seconds. Ben.
In one play, Gozum.
Foul number 21. First personal foul. Bonus.
Wala pa rin. Rivera, fade away shot. Wala. Rebound Falses.
5 seconds.
Tabile. Tabile. Number 2. 2 points.
Tabla.
And that's it. Tabla naman tayo.
Last and final quarter.
Okay, fourth and final quarter. Ito na. Of course, nandiyan si Lumawag, si Sila, si Opulensya, at si JS. Defensor, Opulensya,
42 shots.
JS, thinking 3. Nope. Rebound, Lumawag. JS again. Defensor, kick pass kay Sila.
20 shots.
JS. Oh, 3-second violation.
3 seconds. Number 6.
No good. Rebound battle won by White Red Bull. Thirty for all, 9:02 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Sila almost had it. Lumawag. Foul called.
Wow. First shot.
First shot, no good.
Second shot.
No good pa rin. Still completed. Cornela Flores tap out, red, white ball. No good. Lumawag. Nagmamadali. Lumawag. Lumawag. JS. And one sana. Foul called.
25. First. First shot.
Second shot, JS. Basket made. Dalawa kalamangan po na ngayon ng Cats over Freighters. Cornela to Monato. Cornela, 25. Torcelino, pinilit ang bola, hindi pumasok. Aresila to Defensor again. Defensor, binababa ang bola. Kick pass. Nando si Lumawag. JS. Opilensya. 2 points Opilensya.
Okay.
3 points, number 28. 7-12 remaining. Cornela naman. Cornela. No good. Rebound. Fade away shot. 2 points, Flores. Tabla na naman tayo. Defensor. 2 points, Defensor. Basket made, Defensor.
Tayo na go, sir. Galing ko sa basket. Kailangan ko lang, sir. Good, seven. Number one.
Top stopper 3, no good. Rebound, Lumawag. Sila. Defensor again. Defensor, nagtito mo ng bola. Lamang dapat ang Prater by 1. Hindi po yata, sir. 38-40. Lumawag. Foul! Sumabit ang bantay ni Lumawag.
Foul number 25. Second personal foul. Stop. First shot. 24. Basket.
First shot, Lumawag, good.
Take. Second shot.
Basket made. The score is 38-41. Lamang po ng 3. 38-40. Lamang po ng 4. Sorry. Ang Team Cas.
20. Number one. 20.
2 points, number 20. 2 points, number 20. 5:46 remaining. Defensor. Defensor. Kick pass. Opulencia, 2 points. Opulencia na naman. Nakuha ng bola. Aricila. Santos. Or JS, sorry. JS, driving strong. How? Traveling, sorry. Traveling. Tabile. Flores. Banks today. JS, top ring. Top ring by JS. Again. Wala. Rebound Tabile. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Flores. No good. Out of bounds. Nag-timeout po, nag-timeout po. Clutch.
Back on the board. Red ball.
Red ball. Okay, bali ngayon po, nagpalit po sila si Olea, si Asinjo, si Perez, si Amampang, at si Silva. Si Silena ang pumasok na. Olea. Amampang. What a pass! Wala pa rin. Olea. Olea naman. Wala rin. Flores. Flores, 2 points, Flores. Flores, 2 points. (45-46), 3:52 remaining. Lamang ng isa ang Cas. Amampang, ayun kay Asinjo. Asinjo, malakas. Rebound, foul called on Perez. Tabile for 3. No good. Rebound. Foul. Take 2. Falsis number 19 shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, tabla na yata. I think tabla. Again, JS pumasok muna. Para magkaroon po ng order. At mukhang tatapilok yata. Yung isang player po nila. That's Perez maybe. It's in. Both basket made. Balik tayo. 47-46. JS. Amampang. Wala. Amampang na naman. Ang rebound. Rebound. Pops up. Asinjo, 2 points. .303 remaining. 47-48. Tabile. Tabile. Nandun si sa inaipit, palpal ng bagya. Palpal na naman ni JS. Kick pass kay Amampang. Amampang. Foul called. Double block made by JS.
One. First.
No good.
Second.
Basket made. Arnaldo, pinasok mo na para kay Lena. Babagay, 47-49, laman po ang multik pa. Laman po ang CAS, 47-49.
Basket foul. 27. Second personal foul. Third personal foul. First.
It's in.
Second.
Pops up. Wala. Rebound number 20. Wala rin. Up. Offensive foul called on JS. Pedro. Valdez. Tabile. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Amampang. Amampang. Nagmamadali. Amampang driving the ball. Stopping. Again on the run. Pops up. Kapos. Up. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Same ball. Robust. Tigas in prep the game po si Mr. JS. And balik kay Amampang bola. Amampang dancel man. Amampang. Yun sa ilalim. Asinjo 2 points. Asinjo 2 points. And kay Mr. Tabile. Difficult shot. Nilabas lang. Rig. JS. Oy! Ito, pare ko yung pang-purchase yung pag same base. Same base. Bench again. Naglan naman, 126 remaining. 125 remaining. Oleya, double team. Amampang rin. Amampang lumusot. Amampang. Oh! Blocking foul, sabi ng referee. Fourth quarter na, Sir Julius. Fourth quarter na po, fourth quarter na. Blocking foul called on Raiders. 10-2X. 10-3X. 8 AM, AN. 2X, 3X. Pops up, pasok. Second shot, Amampang, pasok, pareho na naman. Number 28 again, 28, binababang bola. Tabile again, Tabile, tumatakis Tabile, 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 malakas. Falses, Falses, kapos. 2 points. Gutierrez 2 points. Amampang, lumulusot. Falses. Arnado, 2 points Arnado. Nagpanalo. Ay! Bali! Tabile, 2 points. Okay, time out. Kailangan daanan to sa isang magandang usapan. Equals 2x. Susunod na kayo. Hindi, baka na si JS dyan. all, Julius Mabagay, 55 all. Amampang against Tabile. Amampang pops up. Okay, overtime. We're going for overtime. Overtime tayo, boss. Overtime tayo. White ball. Okay, sila naman yun. Game. Donato. Tabile. Kick pass. Pops up Flores. Banger! Defensor, 3 points by Tabile. By Flores rather. Defensor, nakalusot. Defensor, ayun, pops ang lumawag. Wala, in and out. Policy sa rebound. Tabile. Flores. Tabile, Falses. Pops up, block, Bagya. Foul. Penalty situation, Team Raiders. Holding foul called on Flores. Defensor number 10 shooting for 2. Defensor first shot. Out. Labas. Second shot, defensor jumper steady po tayo. 10, 2x. Minus 2x equals 10x. No good. Pwede rin kasi yun. Shoutout Richard Bautista. Sabi ni siya babagay. 50-54, 06 remaining. Passes. Tabile. Flores. Walang pinasahan. Nando si Rivera. Rivera on a foot race. Rivera, 2 points. Ano naman tayo? Dalida, 2 points again. That choke is on again. Wala. Foul called.
Foul.
Foul.
First.
6. Bang! 58-62 lamang po ng 8, lamang po ng 4 ang team cast over Freighters. Flores, power move, foul. Take 2. Saint Alnatur is watching right now. Malvic Valdez is watching also. Gutierrez, number 20, shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot, jumper ready tayo. Tapos, rebound, muntik pa. Again, Rivera. Lumawag, malakas, rebound by Falsis. Flores, kick pass, 28, no good, rebound now by Gozum. Big. Okay, ayun! Baka wala! Tabile. 2:27 remaining. Tabile on the foot race. I lost the ball! Who's ball rep? Red ball. Red ball talaga, red ball. Okay, palit po. Palit na tayo, palit na. Ito na. Okay, nagpalit po. Palit po ng kupo na now. Now, ito na, lumawag with Amampang. Ergo with Rivera. Kabila naman, of course, nandyan si Flores and company. Amampang, JS, thinking 3. Nope. Rebound number 1. Triple team, double team. Matake. And 1 play made. Number 20, 2 points. 1:56 remaining. 60-62. Number 20, bonus free throw coming up. Nope. Rebound. Dumawag again. Shoutout kay Saint Ale, Saint Latour.
Number 10.
Sel Latour yan. Ayun, JS. 2 points. JS. JS, 2 points.
20. Third personal foul. Bush. Number 6.
Pops up Flores. Bangs it in. Kick pass to JS. JS. Seal completed. Counter seal. Again, still again. Flores. Kick pass kay Falses. Falses. Ayun. Naku, wala. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Fourth quarter na po. Jovi. Fourth quarter na po. JS. Top board. Top board by JS. Yun lang. Foul po. JS again po for the bonus free throw. Okay. Second shot, jumpers ready for JS. Second shot, number 50, JS.
Second shot.
No good. Rebound by Palses, 63-67. 63-67. Pops number 3. Wala. Number 1. 2 points. Foul. 65-67. Favor po ang Cas. Ha? Pasok pa bukas. Busy. Bawal. Bawal yan. Di pwede, bawal. Defensor shooting for 2. Basket made. Second shot, defensor. Flores again, Flores. Palses. Palpal. Burado. Pinora ni defensor si Palses. Pops up again, no good. Rebound battle now. Lumawag, fouled. Penalty situation, Team Freighters. Magaling na tayo.
Daming penalty, no?
Kaya nga eh. Penalty Freighters. Well, 70 seconds na lang yun.
Hoy! One shot.
Lumawag, intercepted. JS.
Wala na,
Wala na. Okay. Sumurrender na. Alright, congratulations! Final score 65-70. Winner by 5 points, Team CAS. Maraming salamat po.